Starting a home business doesn't have to be complicated. You can start small and still grow big, and all it takes is one smart idea. There are so many logistics that come with starting a business. You have to find a strategic location, register your business, source some funds, hire people if necessary, to name a few. How about you don't have to do all that and still manage to start a business? I'm talking about starting small and starting it right from home. As business magnate Sir Richard Branson always says, a big business starts small. I'll show you what I mean precisely. Home-based businesses have fewer overhead costs, which makes their launching easier. There is also so much flexibility given that you set out and run your schedule. As a result, it's easier to attain a work-life balance. The best part is that you can serve both the local and the international consumer community, which means an opportunity to grow faster and broader. So, if you are ready to convert your space at home into a working office, it's time you learn about small businesses that you can start today. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and continue receiving great videos like this one. Also, get your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Now, here are 10 small business ideas that you can start at home. Number 1. Start a dropshipping business. Imagine running an online business without owning the inventory. That's what dropshipping is all about. In the business model, a third party handles the warehousing, product packaging, and delivery. So your job is only to promote the merchandise, wait for the orders to come in, and then pass them on to a third party, which can be an online store like eBay or Amazon. Let's talk about the money making as a dropshipper. You have to take note of the third party's asking price and add your profit to it when quoting the customer. So once the customer pays you, you pay the supplier and keep your profit. It's that simple. Number 2. Start a pet business. With so many homeowners keeping pets but not having enough time to look after them, consider starting a pet business. You can offer pet sitting or pet boarding services depending on your availability. If you are available during the day, pet sitting is preferable, but if you're only home at night, offer pet boarding services. Still, you can offer both and more, which means a better opportunity to make more money. The other opportunity to explore, which is quite popular these days, is dog walking. This kind of job can make you $20 an hour per pet, which is decent. Last but not least, you can offer pet training services if you are familiar enough. This business line pays the best and is thus very lucrative. Number 3. Start an at-home bakery. Are you a skilled baker but only bake for your family? Perhaps it's time you also do it commercially. Take advantage of local weddings, birthdays, corporate functions, and other events. Overall, creativity is pivotal when it comes to running a home bakery. So if your cakes are unique, you'll always have orders streaming in. Note, however, that if you don't limit yourself to cakes, you can also do cookies, scones, and any other baked good. The initial cost may be a little higher if you don't have the right equipment, but it always pays out in the long run. You may even find yourself teaching others how to bake, and that means more money. Number 4. Offer online services. There are so many services you can sell online from the comfort of your home. If you are a writer, you can start an online writing business and get to write blog posts, news articles, business grants, resumes, and business proposals for clients. You don't have to do it all, but find a niche that you can specialize in. And if you have a knack for the English language, you can offer proofreading services. You can sell other online services like print-on-demand services, consulting, website design, and bookkeeping. Overall, you may need to create a portfolio website to showcase your online services and expertise, and through that website, prospective clients can contact you. Remember to promote your business online, more so on social media, to let clients know about you. Number 5. Start a gardening business. Do you enjoy home gardening? If yes, and you have some space at home, consider starting a gardening business. You don't need much space, just enough to set up a greenhouse. Then you can grow and sell herbs, veggies, fruit, or flowers depending on what you like and on the demand. Your target market can include homeowners, grocery store owners, schools, local hotels and inns, churches, and local events. Overall, running a gardening business is lucrative when you are willing to invest your time and ready to learn and implement new techniques. Number 6. Start a cleaning and laundry business. As long as there's dirt, there will always be need for cleaners. Now that modern homeowners rarely have time to do laundry or clean their homes, you can offer these services and get paid. You can do it solo or with a group, depending on how big or small you want to start. You can choose to pursue only the cleaning business line, where you can clean homes and commercial premises, or you can do laundry. But still, nothing stops you from offering both services if you have the workforce to do it. Some guys go as far as doing landscaping and garbage collection. It's all about identifying a market niche and filling it. 7. At-home healthcare. Our senior members of the community require different kinds of help and are willing to pay for it. Some require someone to run errands, and others need someone to fix their meals, clean their houses, and handle other domestic chores. If that's something you can do, then give home health care a try. If you can't, consider finding people who can and hire them. Preferably, get people with senior care, caregiving, or home care experience to join your team. But still, things like running errands and housekeeping can be done by anyone, which means they don't have to possess senior care or home care experience. As far as getting clients is concerned, promote your business locally. Ensure, however, that you comply with the legal requirements before launching. Number 8. Start an online consignment shop. Now, if you want to own an independent online store but something different from a dropshipping store and you don't have the money, consider starting a consignment shop. You get your supplies on consignment, which means you don't have to pay for the inventory first, but only after you sell. Alternatively, you can advertise this product in your store and then split the profit with your supplier. So how do you start a consignment store online? Well, first, you identify merchandise that you'll sell and then create an online store to promote and sell them. Then, you'll need to register your business and obtain the necessary license before launching. Remember, you have to talk to the suppliers and agree on splitting the profit. Number 9. Start a home daycare. If you enjoy spending time with kids and don't mind feeding them or cleaning them up, start a home daycare business. Many parents don't mind taking their kids to home daycare facilities as long as they're assured of better service. You don't need special equipment to start, but if you have a few fun supplies, that's a plus for you and the kids. Just ensure you comply with the zoning laws and other local regulations. It'll also help if you are familiar with CPR and other basic first aid procedures. The beauty of the business is that you don't have to look far to find clients. There are guys next door, the family you go to church with, and your friends, so talk to them about your business and watch out for a huge turnout. Number 10. Start Airbnb hosting. No one can stop the sharing economy wave. Today, so many homeowners can claim to have earned money from hosting guests at their homes. So, if you have an extra home, an apartment, or just a guest house that's unused for so long, consider hosting guests through the Airbnb platform and earn from it. If you can bring guests consistently, then you'll also gain an income consistently. You don't have to offer the guests anything special other than a good, safe place to stay. Depending on your property's size, state, and style, you can make anything between $50 and $200 a night. If that appeals to you, visit Airbnb today to list your property. You have no reason not to invest in one of these small business ideas. Find a lucrative business idea that you are passionate about or skilled in and pursue it today. Here is another excellent video for you: how to start a small business from home. Until next time, take care.